Good morning, students. Today we start chapter 3 using a word processor. In this chapter, we will learn about the word processor. In the last class, we have already learned that what is word processor, about the application software. There are many kinds of application software to do different tasks. Different special tasks like MS Paint is used to paint and draw. And now word processor, the text processor, text editor application, the word processor, what does it do? It will write the text. Text मतलब जो ये लिखा हुआ है, this is the text. So if you want to write any letter or poem, anything, the word processor is a software that is used to create documents such as letter, lists, poems, and so on. So there are many word processing software, like some of them are Microsoft Word, LibreOffice, Writer, and Notepad, and so on. So children, now I will show you the desktop. This is the desktop, and here this is the taskbar, and this is the start button. Here you can see the pointer, the arrow key. Okay, here this moving arrow, this is the mouse pointer. And there are two types from where you can open the Microsoft Word. You can see the icon of Microsoft Word on the desktop. You can from here directly double click means 2 times clicking. If you will click here 2 times, then your Microsoft Word will be open. Or from the task start button, you can directly click, go to the if it is Windows 10, then this is because not Windows 10, we cannot open through the all programs. But if it is Windows 10, when you will click the start button, there is all programs menu, and in the all programs menu there is Microsoft Office, and under Microsoft Office you will find this Microsoft Word. And from here, when you will click the Microsoft Word, the Word will go to be open. See, the Word is opening. Okay, you can see in the screen that Microsoft Word is going to be open. Okay children, so after this you can click to the blank document. Or else you can double click from the icon and Microsoft Windows 2010 will open. Now you can see children, here this is your Microsoft window. Okay, here now I will tell you there are different types of things in Microsoft window. See children, here this is called the title bar. Okay, this is called the title bar. Here the title is shown on the computer. Okay, by default document 1 is written on the title bar. Just below the title bar, this is the ribbon, and this is your quick launch bar. Okay, here there is a save button, undo and redo buttons are there, and just below the title bar is your ribbon, and in your ribbon there are several tabs. First tab of the ribbon is file tab. Okay children, and underneath the tabs, the ribbon, there are groups. These are called groups. When you click children, like see the mouse pointer, you click the file, so this save as, open, close, recent, new, print, these options will be popped down on the window. When you click the home tab, you can see under the home tab there are different groups. Font group, you can change the font size, color, word art, and many things under the home tab. Then insert tab, page layout tab is there when you will click it, so and so on. You can see here and see, this is your ruler. This is the ruler and it sets the margin of your document area, and this is the document area. And this you can see here, this is called the I-beam cursor. From here you start the writing. Okay, from where the I-beam cursor will blink, if you will type anything from the keyboard, you can see on the screen the letters are typed there only. So this is the document area. In this area, because the margin is defined here, it is not printed. Okay children, so and now you can see here at the down, this is the status bar. Okay children, and here you can see at the side it's a scroll bar. This is the scroll bar. I can show you while moving from the mouse pointer. If you will click here, the page will go up and down. Okay, see here. Okay, so this page will go up and down, and at the beneath there will be a horizontal scroll bar, and at the side there will be a vertical scroll bars. Now children, I will show you how you will write the text in the document. Anything from the keyboard you can type on the okay. So you can see on the screen I have written some text on the document. So in this way you can insert anything on the document. Now I will show you how you will save the document. For saving the document, you guys just go, take your mouse pointer to the file tab, and when you will open the file tab, you can click on save option. As you will click on the save options, the save as dialog box will appear on the screen, and here at the file name space you can write any name, like I am writing class 3. Okay, and I am just, and from here you can select in this panel where you have to save this file. So you can choose desktop also, and you can here save. Click on the save button. Now you can see here that the name of at the title bar, the name of the file is changed as class 3. Now your file is saved. This is the way you can save the file. Okay children, now I will show you how you can just close it. Okay, you can insert, select the text, or you can insert or delete the text. Okay children, now if you want to insert any text here, okay, between this, you to just click the cursor here, the blinking cursor, yeah, ये जो है ब्लिंकिंग कर्सर यहाँ आ गया जहाँ आपको इंसर्ट करना है टेक्स्ट को. देन यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग फ्रॉम द कीबोर्ड. ओके, now you can see here between the B's the Y's are added here. तो in this way you can insert the text. अब आपको delete कैसे करना है? If you want to delete this M, okay, तो you just click here and then press the backspace button. Here there is a backspace button on the keyboard. You just press the backspace button and you can see here on the keyboard it is deleted. If you want to delete from here this M, if you are placing your cursor here, then you use the delete key. Okay, here the delete key is here. You just press the delete key and from the left hand side the letter will be deleted. In this way the letters are inserted and deleted from the text. Now I will tell you how to exit the text. You can also use the file tab from here. You can go to the file tab, click on the file tab, and then after that click the close button. Then your system will ask, do you want to save the changes to class 3? If you will click the save, and then your word will be this word will be closed, and from here you can, and again you can now open this. Click the file button, click open button, and then here choose the class 3 and then click the open button. This file will again be open. Now you know how to open, how to exit, and how to create and select the text on the computer. How you can exit also from the computer. Now children, I think you must have understood the chapter very well. So thank you. If you have understood the chapter, comment in the box, okay, and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.